Kementeri Bakmi ia ketenat School Education and Literacy ke Deborah Marak hak khadar tarik mentau bna risau kelahir sakasnong suara banyashim mentah kum ke kongsan hak jelang play ya jingdap sispa nyu pesan senam jong ke suara tua Presbyterian Lower Primary School haswaban poi sakni ke jelang play kani kementeri kelali jungo suai ki artli school badan hak ni katan bahkan top ya ke Maurice Patrick King Memorial Secondary School kabadan halai dengau bat ya ke St John Girls High Secondary School kabadan hamarai kapon Hakani ke jinglet juga ni menteri syasora la senran lang ru daw MLA kini katan ubat Titus Khan bat ki officer jong ketat pule putih jang kasora subdivision hak je lang play ke jingdap sispa anyup san snam jong sekolah sora tua Presbyterian Lower Primary School lai dan lang ru ubat Donovan ke walang kit khat jong managing committee jong ni sekolah kinong hikai bat kitu ki bala pendap ya ke jing pule nak ni sekolah kumjo ki badang pule hadu mentah Hakani kesngi kinong penya jong ni sekolah kila IT ru ya ke memorandum sya menteri ya ke bala pendap ya kini ke benta do presiden ke managing committee uba ke basayomaj bat ke waina ke jing kerpat lengba kini ke memorandum ke dai halo ke jing panjeram nang ke sarkar ban yo no da ke yeng batma jong kini ke skol bat ke bakam paka
to run a school. This is also right from the British time. This school now 175 years old. Now this 175 years old school still to go, still 2 marks ahead. But it is a hard work of the people and hard work of the teachers. How they have hard work for 175 years. And this school survived till today.